puppy! Hi there, and welcome back to another edition of Antigua Adventures. Another special edition. It's moving day. We are moving from our apartment here in Antigua to Barbuda for the final month of our trip. We're planning to take our 2 beach chairs with us. We're hoping the airline is okay with that. The flight to Barbuda is on a very small plane. We're not taking Tiggs. Hi, Tiggs. Tiggs is not coming along with us. She belongs to the apartment building, but she hangs out with us all the time. And yeah, just getting last bits and bots together and saying goodbye. We've had a really good time at this apartment in Antigua. It's up in the north end near Dickinson Bay. There's some stuff we'll be leaving behind for anyone who might want it. Our washing machine. And we're just about ready to go. So definitely having mixed feelings about leaving the island of Antigua today. Although I'm very excited to be going to Barbuda, I'm going to miss Dogs and Cats of Antigua, helping the animals. That is a passion of mine. I'm going to miss my friend Joy of Dogs and Cats of Antigua and all the animal friends that we made along the way over this last month and a half. But there will be Antigua adventure videos coming from Barbuda. They're going to be new, different, exciting, and fun. So I hope that you'll tune in over the next month as we bring you those.
Yeah, it just a little bit of rush. All the way back home. Hi, donkeys. Hi. Hi. Very happy so far. Nice smooth flight. Very happy to be here. Back to our favorite pizza place, Abraham's, and he was open on Sunday night. So this is our 3rd year staying on the island of Barbuda. The first year was just after a hurricane that destroyed many of the homes and buildings that were on this island. So now, 5 or 6 years later, there are a lot more places to stay opening up. One place I can definitely recommend is the historic Dulcina Apartments, where we stayed last year. You can look on VRBO and Airbnb, which have more listings now than they did before. New places are opening up all the time. And you can also look on Google Maps, which lists some of the places that aren't listed anywhere else, and you can contact them that way. All right, we're driving around on our first full day in Barbuda. We've rented a car. So most places that have hotels and rental units can usually hook you up with a car. We were able to do that last year and this year. So you saw that we flew over on SVG, it's called Airlines, and you can find them on the internet and book with them. Relatively inexpensive. I think it was around $80 each way US. something like that. I think the grand total for both of us return was $400 US. So relatively inexpensive considering. It's a small little plane, be prepared for that. Not a long flight, but if you don't love flying in really tiny planes, you might not find it great. We have taken the ferry. The ferry is easy to take, a little bit less expensive than flying, but it's an hour and 45 minutes, and you do go out onto the open ocean in a relatively small catamaran. And I will say for myself, even though I worked on a ferry system in Canada for 5 years, I got very seasick both on the way there and on the way back, and I did not enjoy the ferry. If you don't mind swells and you don't mind going up and down in a relatively small boat, and you don't mind taking about an hour and a half, an hour 45 minutes to get there, and you have a lot of luggage, which is usually why people end up taking the ferry, then you could take the ferry. Both have regular service, I think, daily. We will be putting out many more videos like this about our adventures here, and if you want to see them, subscribe to the Trainer Julia channel. That's where all of the Antigua adventure videos live. And have a great day. Bye. We got the puppy.